Quizlet.com, an interactive way for learning vocabulary. If you have internet connection, then this is a dynamic option for learning new words. Let me introduce you to Quizlet.com. This is a web page where professors post the vocabulary of their lessons, the vocabulary of the units they teach. This is the vocabulary of Unit 1 from Interchange Book 2, 4th edition. It was posted by Alexis Radney. I really recommend you to study your vocabulary of each unit in Quizlet.com. In each study guide, I will post the link to Quizlet.com so you can study the vocabulary beforehand in an interactive way. Let's see the structure of a typical Quizlet.com vocabulary list. Here you can see the vocabulary list for Unit 1. Interchange Book 2. It contains a set of 67 terms or words. In the first column, you can see the word in English, in this case, courage. In the second column, you will find the definition of the word or the Spanish equivalent in this case. In the third column, you will find an image that represents the concept or thing that is being defined. This image or picture is very important because it helps you to remember the word or concept. However, I consider that the most important feature of this vocabulary list is the possibility of listening to the pronunciation by clicking on the sound icon. Listen.
Courage, valor. Courage, valor. Courage, valor.
You are supposed to read every word in English, then the definition in Spanish or English, and then listen to the pronunciation by clicking or tapping on the sound icon.
Possession,
Posesión,
possession.
posesión.
After listening to the pronunciation, you should repeat the word as many times as possible until you feel you are pronouncing well. The menu in Quizlet.com. Now let's see other ways of studying the vocabulary in Quizlet.com. Let's see the menu that is available at the beginning of the page. It is divided into two areas, study and play. In the study area, we find flashcards, learn, write, spell, and test. The last part of the menu is the play area. It contains two games, match and gravity. The first are the flashcards. Here you can see a flashcard. The first word here is nouns. It automatically shows you the word and pronounces it.
Sustantivos,
If you want to listen again the same word, then you have to click on the speaker icon.
Nouns, nouns.
It is advisable to write down each word in a list in your notebook. This is an effective way to learn new vocabulary. You should click on any blank space of the flashcard in order to make it turn over so you can see the meaning or the Spanish equivalent.
sustantivos,
To read the next word, you have to click on the right arrow. This one.
achievement,
Here you have the second word, which is achievement. If you want to listen again the same word, then you have to click on the speaker icon.
achievement,
To see the meaning or the Spanish equivalent, you have to click on any blank area of the flashcard.
logro,
Here we have the Spanish equivalent, which is logro, together with an image that represents the meaning. You have to study all the 67 vocabulary cards if you really want to study and learn the vocabulary of this unit. In this case, we have just studied 2 words, and we have 65 words left. Up to this moment, I have explained you the manual way, clicking on the left or right arrows. If you want the system to play all the flashcards automatically, then you should click or tap on the play button. Before clicking on the play button, I recommend you to click on options and define your options. Here you can select if you want the answers with Spanish or with English or with both. I will choose Spanish. On the audio alternatives, you should select on in order to listen to the pronunciation of every word in English and Spanish. In order to start from the beginning, you should click on Start Over.
nouns,
Now, for the system to play the cards automatically, you should click or tap the play button.
sustantivos,
achievement,
logro,
award,
premio,
summer camp,
Okay, let's stop here and let's continue with the next menu. Remember to complete all the 67 flashcards if you really want to learn all the vocabulary of this unit. Now let's go back to explore the next menu, Learn. If you study the vocabulary in the interactive way, you will learn a lot. Keep on learning.